Hi, welcome to Us Art. Embrace your mistakes. Artists often get the best outcomes from the unexpected. I had this digitally painted chrysanthemum in Photoshop and somehow it was flipped upside down on my screen. A light bulb went off and it was clear that now there was whimsy, movement, and
Oh, yeah.
this is a totally renovated bathroom in Hancock Park in Los Angeles. New fresh tiles, cabinetry, shower, gorgeous, except for the bare white walls. I was all set to design a floral in pink when I was asked, could I first see it in black and white? I knew that a good design will also work in black and white grayscale. Thankfully, this pattern was no exception, so I said, of course. So strip by strip, the wallpaper filled the walls. Now Zoltan is making the final adjustments and the walls were transformed. So there you have it, from boring to beautiful. Please visit my website at jealousart.com and like this video.